Good morning, everyone. I am Snehal Chandan, Assistant Professor of KANMS College Satana. Today we are discuss about TV fundamentals, scanning, resolution. The TV is widely used in a communication media for a transmission and receiving moving image, either monochromatic, black and white, or color, usually accomplished sound. A TV program were generally record and transmitting an analog signal, but in recent year, public public and communication broadcast have been progressively introduced digital television broadcasting technology. A standard television set multiple internal electronic circuit including those for receiving and decoding broadcast signal. Television use similar uh, conveying moving picture by sending and rapid sequence by changing state. We discuss about resolution. Resolution is defined as scanning and reproducing a finite detail of TV or a picture. There are two type of resolution: vertical resolution and horizontal resolution. First, what is resolution? The picture quality improve with a great detail. The quality of detail is called resolution. It depends on number of pixels that can be reproduced. If there are a more number of pixels, then obviously the picture will be having a good resolution. You must have seen the TV advertisement where the brand boast of showing the detail of newsreader eye slash. This is possible when a TV have a very good resolution so that the picture show clear detail. In terms of TV, we can say that scanning and reproduction of the finest detail of picture is known as the resolution system. Higher the resolution is possible when there are many number of lines, thin lines, a fast rate of scanning beam. All these factors will ensure that the large number of pixels give a fine detail, but in actual practice it is not possible. It is not possible. High rate of scanning will require very high bandwidth. The horizontal resolution of television system is the ability of scanning system to resolve the horizontal detail. Uh, that the horizontal scanning line is a 50 centimeter long and that one picture element is zero point 0.1 centimeter long. Thus, there are 500 horizontal picture elements on one line. There are 50,625 lines per second. Therefore, the monochrome TV there are 50,625 into 500, that is 7,81,025. In vertical resolution, the ability of scanning system is give vertical detail depend on the number of line used in frame. The actual number of line takes depend upon the resolving capability of our human eyes. Where a TV company advertisement for their product, they give safe and best viewing angle and distance, which will not strain the eyes. For a comfortable view, the angle is about 10 to 50 degree and the best view distance is 5 to 7 5 to 7 time of highest of the picture. Let us the screen let us the screen height is s and total number of lines in vertical direction are